An S-handed coder could be easily distinguished. There is a trend going on based on the assumption that while each and every stupid idiot has a computer without any understanding, and what is even worse, no desire to understand how it works, the computer has to understand itself. That's why more and more software is released completely foolproof, with close to zero decision-making left for the end user. One fine example of the above is the bond between an app interface language and the system locale settings. So, for instance, if your system locale is set to Russian, that means every single program will be in Russian. And no one gives a fuck that most people are dreaded by the ugly translation and start to stumble in the same menus and options they are so familiar with in the original English version. Language settings are hard-coded, and you can't change them. Look here. The whole Windows control panel is in English, but the Intel video drivers has the language hard-coded to the system locale, so it's in Russian, as well as the right-click menu. It is as stupid as it looks. And the worst part, you can't really do much about it without messing heavily with the system files. Another example is Skype. After it was purchased by Microsoft, it started to become even shittier than before, but that's not the point at the moment. I use only portable versions of programs, and there are plenty of reasons for that. Security, easy backups, easy transfer to freshly installed operating systems, lots of them. So Skype Portable does not save language settings and set the language to Russian every fucking time, which is very frustrating. This is a bug reported to Microsoft and, judging from the Jira issues, fixed. Could this be a problem of this very specific portable build? Well, let's make our own one. That shouldn't be hard, since Skype has a built-in removable flag specifically for this purpose. Download and install Skype, copy it and uninstall, find the executable file in the copied folder, run it with the removable key, check it creates all the necessary folders, make a batch file, so you don't have to specify the key all the time. Well, fuck around all you want, it doesn't help. Removable Skype does not save language settings, but the bug is listed as fixed in Jira. Probably for a normal install, when the settings are saved in the registry, it is. And they don't care about the removable one, despite many cries from the desperate users. Fucktards. So your only two options is either the Microsoft utility to ignore locale settings, which is not supported in the later versions of Windows, or change your system locale to an English one, which most probably will lead to malfunction of other ass-handed creations, which after all these years still do not support Unicode.